How is your family doing?
They are doing great. How about yours?
They are good, too. Family is such an important part of life. Don't think you?
Absolutely. Spending time with them brings so much joy.
Do you live with your extended family or just your immediate family? Just my immediate family, but we visit our extended family often. What about you?
I live with my immediate family too, but we are very close to our relatives. We often have family gathering.
That sounds lovely. What's your favorite thing to do with your family?
I love family dinner. Everyone shares stories. And it's such an warm atmosphere. How about you?
For me, it's family trip, exploring new places. Together is always so much fun.
That's wonderful. Family really does make life more meaningful.
Yes, family is such a blessing. Do you spend much time with your family?
I try to as much as I can. Life gets busy, but I always make time for them. How about you?
Same here. I feel like family moments are what create the best memories.
Definitely. What's the most memorable moments you have had with your family?
Probably last year's picnic. We played games, shared food, and laughed so much. What about you?
For me, it's the holidays. We all gather at my parents' house and stay up late, chatting and reminiscing.
That sounds amazing. What role do you usually play during family event?
I'm usually the one taking photos or organizing things. How about you?
I'm the entertainer. I love making everyone laugh or sharing stories to keep the energy alive.
That's great. Do you think family values are important to pass down to the next generation?
Absolutely. Teaching kids to love, respect, and care for family is so important. What values do you face on?
I focus on respect, kindness, and always supporting each other. Families should be a source of strength.
That's beautiful said. I hope my kids grow up with those same values. What does family mean to you?
To me, family means love, support, and understanding. It's a group of people who always have your back, no matter what. What about you?
I feel the same. Family is where you find comfort and strength during tough times and where you celebrate the happiest moment.
Exactly. Do you think the concept of family has changed over the years?
I think it has some ways. Family used to live closer and spend more time together. Nowadays, people move to different cities or countries, which makes staying connected harder.
That's true, but technology has helped a lot. Video call. Make it easier to stay in touch, even if you are far away.
True, but nothing compares to being physically present with your family, right?
Absolutely. There's a special warmth in sitting together, sharing a meal, or just talking face to face.
Do you think family traditions are still important today?
Definitely, traditions keeps the family bond strong and give a sense of identity. Do you have any family tradition?
Yes, we always have a big dinner on Fridays. It's a chance to catch up, everyone. What about you?
We celebrate birthdays in a big way, even if it's a small party. Everyone gathers to make it special.
That's nice. How do you handle conflicts in the family?
We try to talk things out. Every family has disagreement, but communications and understandings are key. What's your approach?
Same here. I think patience and listening is very important. It's okay to disagree sometimes.
True. Do you think it's easier to maintain strong family bonds now, or was it easier in the past?
It's a mix. In the past, life was simpler and people had fewer distributions. Now we have to make more effort, but we also have tools to help us connected.
That's a good point. Do you have any advice for building stronger family relationship?
I'd say spend quality time together, communicate openly, and always appreciate each other. How about you?
I agree. And never take family granted. Even small gestures, like a phone call or a kind word, can make a big difference.